Hello and welcome back to PA Academy. So this is the example 2 under combination without condition. So if you missed the previous part of this video, kindly check the description of this video, you'll find it there. So now in this example says, a committee of 3 is to be chosen from a team of 12 members. In how many ways can this be done? So let's do this solution. So don't forget the keywords when you are dealing with questions like this, because most times if you come across question like this, they will not tell you if it's permutation or combination. But just look at the question and then to have an idea, or just looking at the question, you should be able to know either it is permutation or combination. And I said that in the part 1 that you look for the keywords. Here, choosing. That is the keyword for what? For combination. So once you see choosing, then that means the question is definitely under combination. So he said, in how many ways? So okay, he said in a committee of 3 is to be chosen from a team of 12 members. So how many ways can this be done? So don't forget the formula when you are dealing with combination without condition. That is n combination r is equals to n factorial over n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. So now this is the formula. Let's bring out our n and our r. So our n represents what? The total number of objects or items in the set. And if you look at the question, the total number of objects in the set is what? Is 12. That means the total number of member is what? Is 12. So our n is equals to 12. And while our r represents what? Total number of objects to be chosen or selected. So in the question, our committee of 3 is to be what? Is to be chosen. So that means our r is equals to 3. So let's input the value of n into this equation, put the value of r into this equation. So in doing that, so n combination r, will have it as 12 combination 3 is equals to, so our n factorial will now be 12 factorial over, so n minus r, that will be 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 factorial, so multiply by our r factorial, that is 3 factorial. So let's simplify this. So that will be 12 factorial over 12 minus 3, that's 9. So over 9 factorial multiplied by then 3 factorial. So this 12 factorial will be written as 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 factorial over, so you can stop at 9 factorial here since we're having 9 factorial at the denominator. So 9 factorial, so that will be 9 factorial multiplied by, then for 3 factorial, let's break it down. That will be 3 times 2 times 1. Now, the reason why I am using 9 factorial, I'm stopping at 9 factorial and not 3 factorial, is that because 9 factorial is higher than 3 factorial. It's advisable to always pick the higher value. So 9 factorial can divide 9 factorial. So now let's look for the value of 12 times 11 times 10. So if we have 12 times 11 times 10, that is 1320. So 1320 over, so 3 times 2 times 1, that's 6 over 6. So let's divide it. 1320 divided by 6. So that will give us 220. So don't forget then ways. The question is asking us in how many ways? In how many ways? So once you get your answer, add ways to it. So here is the example. Here's the solution to example 2. The question that in how many ways? Okay, a committee of 3 is to be chosen from a team of 12 members. In how many ways can this be done? So that means a committee of 3 can be chosen from 12 members in 220 ways without any condition. So that is it for this example 2. So in the next part, we are going to be looking at an entire different example under combination without condition. So if you are here to subscribe to PA Academy, kindly click on the subscribe button. If you have any question whatsoever, kindly leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next part of this video. Thank you.